Okay, today we're just going to go quickly through deploying a project to Azure from within Visual Studio. And we'll see that the tools that are provided in Visual Studio 2010 have improved beyond what was available in previous versions. So I've got my solution here, and I've got a project in that solution called My To Do, and I'm just going to go ahead and publish that. Now, one of the things that I get here is the option to create the service package only, which would give me the package and configuration settings that I could just go ahead and manually upload into the using the Azure portal, as I've done in the past. But what I'm going to do here is select this Deploy Your Cloud Service to Windows Azure Directly. Now, some of this stuff I've already set up. I've created myself a set of credentials called KK Windows Azure Account 1, which we can look at, but basically what I've done here is created a certificate file, and then I've uploaded that file into Azure through the Azure portal. And so what I would do here, if I was going to create a new one, would be to say create, but I've already got this one that I've just created, so I'm going to use that. I will copy the full path of that created file just so that I have it on my clipboard. And then I'm going to go and click on this link to go into the developer portal. Now, unfortunately, this does not quite go to exactly the right place, but it's close. Okay, so I'm now signed in, and what I need to do here is I need to go into my project, and from here, if I go into this account tab, I can see that I can manage my certificates. And here we have, in fact, the certificate that I have previously uploaded. If I wanted to upload a new one, I would go in and browse over to that file and just put in the full path that I have copied into my clipboard. That's what I did, so I won't do it again. Okay, and we can see that on this page I can find my subscription ID, which I need to paste into this dialog. And if I then just say I want to go ahead and use that, I can now go ahead and deploy, and it will give me this default deployment label. I can choose where I want to deploy it to. I'm going to, in this case, deploy it to my to-do service production, and I'm going to use the KK to-do 1 storage account. And if I say OK, it should probably tell me that there is an existing account there. Okay, so I've got a previous version deployed onto that into that account. So I'm going to just say delete and continue. Okay, so the app is deployed, and if we go over to the portal, we can see that the app is deployed and ready to go. Cool.